Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making the Google Calendar public so Squarespace can display it. This is required because private calendars won't render. Once done, copy the calendar's embed iframe from calendar settings. Next, open your Squarespace site editor and go to the exact page or section where you want the calendar to live. Choose between an embed block for quick pasting or a code block when you need control over width, height, and attributes. This choice affects responsiveness and styling later. You now place the calendar, add the chosen block, and paste the iframe into it. If you used embed block, click Apply and Preview. If code block, paste the full iframe and edit width to 100% and a sensible height like 600 px for desktops. Make sure frame border equals 0 and add style equals max width, 100%, height, auto, or similar so the calendar scales. Also tweak SRC parameters, such as mode equals agenda or mode equals month, to match how you want visitors to interact. Once configured, save your changes and publish the page, then test the calendar on both desktop and mobile breakpoints to confirm layout and usability. If spacing or font mismatch occurs, add a small CSS snippet scoped to that block to control max width and margins. This keeps your site design consistent. If the calendar appears blank, your most common issue is sharing. Make sure the calendar is set to public and the iframe SRC matches the calendar's embed code. Double-check those first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.